Hey, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is very different. It is little quite a silent day in my life. So yeah, please watch the vlog till end. And it's the evening 4 p.m. and I'm just going to tuition. Here is my backpack and here is our lift coming on the way of tuition and finally arrive. It usually takes 2 hours in tuition. Then I come back at home around 6 p.m. and eating just sandwiches and my favorite juice. This is my favorite evening snack, sandwiches. I love sandwiches. And now making sharbat for my mama and for me, although putting water into a glass and then mixing room temperature water and cold water. Although this is the vlog in English because I am exhausted to making vlogs in Urdu. So yeah, please don't judge my English because I am not at all good in English. So yeah, we drink our sharbat well and let's prepare dinner. Actually, I didn't prepare dinner. This is my mama preparing dinner. I just came and making vlogs. So this is chicken. Mama has washed it and now I am recording clip of this chicken. Yummy yummy. Okay, now my mama is putting oil into a utensil. Now putting onion. So I recorded very little clips of these. Now self-care time. Don't forget your self-care. Forget anything but not your self-care, please. Self-care is very important. Self-love is very important. Inshallah, we will discuss on this topic in the next upcoming vlogs. Now I am doing icing. I just wanna make a separate video on icing. So yeah, this is pretty much for this vlog. Inshallah, meet you in the next vlog. Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share.